So, you've come to talk of Lady Iris. It's true, she has shared my fire from time to time. Sit down. Rest. I still remember that day, outside Ogar. The day I met her, the Lady Iris herself. These blasted woods are so gloomy. Oh, why did I volunteer for this? I'd better keep moving if I'm to deliver this message. Post me high. Huh? Perhaps this way. Yes? Where to? Yes? Huh? The mist. It could almost be beautiful. We're lucky to have masks. Clouds be damned. A horror. This creature, it might have once been... No, don't think about it. It's just vermin now. Kill or be killed. Yes? Softly. Let me think about this. Huh? It's done. All this trouble to find some scholar. Huh? Yes? A camp. So this must be... Lady Iris, I bring word from Ogar. The city is...
Do I look like a scholar, Herald? The lady's gone on alone. Easy for her, but... I'd best go with you to deliver your message. Here?
Post me high. Where to? Let's take them down from above. Huh?
Yeah?
Let's carry on.
I'm ready. Let's go already. See that ancient beacon? Only one person can light him. The lady passed through here.
We need to cross. Let's check that salvage pile for something we can use.
Yeah?
Let's get on with it.
What?
A unit can't reach its destination. Yes? Post me high. A unit can't reach its destination. Huh? Where to? Post me high. Yes? What a messy stairway. Where to? Yes? Post me high. Huh?
Almost there. The lady should be investigating those ruins.
Who is this scholar? To go alone into places like this? I can hear horrors lurking ahead. Yes? Post me high. Where to? Yes? Hmm? Huh? Post me high. Lady Iris, I bring an urgent request. Ogar expects an attack. The gates are... She listened to my message, or pretended to listen. It didn't matter. She knew what to do.
If Ogar calls, we go.
But if I'm to tell you this story, it must be told from the beginning. This was our world. Then the Perlas appeared, and everything changed. They revealed a great secret to humanity, a great power, the Pálido. We built ourselves a sublime domain. The Perlas glowed for us. Yet as time passed, we realized everything has a price. You all know what happened next. The CATACLISMO. The land was drowned in mist, and from this mist, on pale legs, emerged fresh horror. The survivors ran. They sought a new home, scrambling to higher ground to save themselves. That is how Ciudad Ogar was founded. The city where we have been surviving for generations.
We made good time. The Solar Gate stands as firm as ever. But if the reports are true, the gate will be under attack soon. Our scouts say the swarm is arriving from the south.
Oh, Guardians, take defensive positions.
Where to? Hmm? Huh? Post me high. Yes? Yeah? Yes? Post me high.
The night is nearly here.
Prepare to fight. Here they come.
under attack.
Where to, sir? Yeah? Post me high.
Uh-huh. Eyes open.
Where to?
The valley shines.
Yes? Post me high. Where to?
We are needed.
Huh? Yeah?
That was too small for a swarm. And too easy.
Lady Iris, no doubt the true swarm will arrive tonight. But with the small force we have,
Then we build, Herald. Another defensive layer out there.
more walls? It's true, we have plenty of stone, but...
Let's make sure these new walls stand firm.
Not enough stone. We could use some sort of passage through our new structure. It's a strong wall, Lady Scholar. But next to the Solar Gate, it's... never mind. The Solar Gate has Merlons atop the wall. solar gate is adorned with banners too.
A pretty wall counts for nothing if no one is manning it. Let's go.
It's no grand gatehouse, but I'll take it. Reinforcements have arrived. The city sends building materials and more troops.
Sundown is coming. We need them on this wall, now.
Where to?
The night is nearly here.
Post me high. Yeah?
Yeah? Let's go already. I'm ready.
Yes?
Uh-huh. What?
The dark night.
It's sunset! The swarm is here!
Yeah? Yeah?
Huh? Yeah?
We're under attack.
Post me high.
Yeah?
Yes?
Let's go.
A unit can't reach its destination.
Where to?
I'm ready.
Yes? Huh?
A unit can't reach its destination. A unit can't reach its destination.
It's over. is strange. Our forest garrison should have felt the swarm.
You think something happened to them?
All I know is that the horrors have not been this close to the city in a long time.